So in this video, I'm gonna explain to you why support resistance can still work even though smart money concept exists. Before we get into the video though, I want to quickly introduce my partner, my flash funding. I'm not just saying this because they're my partner. I really like this prop firm and I think it will be one of the biggest in the future. They have such a small profit target by just 6%, which is easily obtained by just two 1 to 3 risk reward trades. And if you wanna get yourself an account, this is my code, link is in the description, and let's go into the video. We are sadly still in the same charts, but I will show an example here. People saying that support resistance can't work if they trade smart money concept are just stupid, because both is liquidity. Smart money concept could also be liquidity. Support resistance can be liquidity. It's just the point where a lot of people entered. So if a lot of people have the same ideas, there will be a lot of stop losses that gets taken out. So it doesn't matter what you trade. You can be profitable with anything. Just trade what you like the most. And for me, I like smart money concept the most. So I'm trading smart money concept. But I'm not hating on support and resistance because people have to understand that smart money concept is not the only retail method that works. Okay. Just support resistance is the most common, so you're most likely to get liquidity. But if you get market experience in support and resistance, smart money concept and support resistance can both work. Okay. For example, okay, we see two bounces here, right? We can see this as a box that it could reject off. So next time it goes into here, we have like our box where we make our stop loss below it. So this could still work because you have market experience and just got a feeling for it. And then you go and aim for the next box that we have. And the next box would be here, since you can see that it bounced a lot. Here it bounced again. So this could still work. Even though it sounds stupid that I'm now teaching support resistance, but I just want to prove to you that both can work, and you shouldn't be just completely insulting support resistance traders because this is just stupid. Everything can work. We also have like this area where it could bounce off, and most of the time it even matches with smart money concept. If we have like a certain area, like an order block or something that matches mostly with support resistance type stuff, you know. So you just have to get market experience, and support resistance can still work. Maybe I can show an example where it worked. Right here. This area, you see a lot of bounces, you can mark it out. And here it bounced into it. Here we could enter and aim for something higher. What I would aim for is you could even combine smart money concept with support and resistance, because you could use order blocks as an TP here and use this bounce, kind of order block bounce again, and support resistance area as an confirmation. I just want to prove that you can trade anything you want as long as you master it. I didn't master support resistance, even though I used to trade it, and I just switched to smart money concept. So I can't really teach you those things. I just want to prove to you that everything works, and maybe it helps you with emotions, because it doesn't matter what you trade, everything works as long as it repeats itself in the market, and it obviously repeats itself in the market. As you can see here, we have areas where it bounce, and bounce again. So it repeats itself, and this is one of the easiest to see. So there are a lot of people trading it, but that doesn't mean it can't work still, you know. You could also be waiting for a sweep of something and then a support resistance bounce, because it's less likely to use the next liquidity again, you know. Obviously, if it could still make it could still take it out as a liquidity, but most of the times if it takes out a big liquidity, it's turning afterwards. So you could even use that as like a thing. You wait for a sweep and then you use support resistance. But this was already it for the video. I just wanted to prove to the people, because I hear a lot of people hating on support resistance, and I want to clear out that you can trade anything you want as long as you master it. And if you already grinded for 6 months and now people are saying that you should switch to smart money concept, don't. Just stick to what you learned and what you already got the feeling for, and just continue to do that, and you will be profitable after mastering it, which could take years, but you know, it's a lot of money that you can make. So this was the video. I hope you liked it. And if you want to join my Discord server where I'm answering questions, link is in the description. Also, if you want to buy an account from my Flash funding, use my code Nikex, and see you next time. Bye bye.